And as we move on into late tonight, thankfully some quieter weather across the entire region. What we dealt with earlier, well, in many cases, 50 to close to 60-mile-per-hour winds. Hail that was anywhere from nickel to quarter-sized, and of course flash flooding, yet again a huge issue. 1 to 3 inches of rain being dropped across several portions of the viewing area in less than an hour in many locations. So again, a lot of rain to try to pick up in such a short amount of time. Rolling on into the rest of tonight, quieter conditions. Temperatures have come down. Dew point still pretty high in the low 70s. That's really all across the area. Checking in Dallas, dew point 71, 72 there. Fort Worth, temperatures are holding in the mid to upper 70s. Really, that's going to be the case for us as we take it into tonight. That rain really did help us to cool down a bit. Denton coming in at 75, Fort Worth also 75, and keeping McKinney at 74 degrees. So we will stay warm, stable with those temperatures through the overnight period. We are working into a different pattern. I know many locations have gotten way too much rain over the past few days. We're getting to some dry time. Watch what happens overnight tonight. Of course, some dry time developing. High pressure is trying to work its way starting tomorrow. It's starting to work its way towards the region. What that'll do is help to dry us out. We do have the slight chance to see a stray shower or storm. That would mainly be late morning, early afternoon, and that would mainly be our eastern half. Most are going to stay dry. Not a big rain chance at all. About a 20% chance. Looking ahead to Tuesday, we are talking about a mainly dry day, a lot of sunshine back. But as that high pressure sits over central portions of the U.S., it's going to help our temperatures to pop up yet again. And as you can see, Tuesday heading into Wednesday, a little bit more of that easterly flow, which is good news. Some drier air will stay in Tuesday into Wednesday. Rain chances trying to come back, it looks like, by the end of next weekend. So looking ahead to this week, again, could see a stray shower tomorrow. Most are dry. The drier weather certainly setting up the middle of the week before it gets hotter as we get into next weekend. Rain chances on their way down. So need to dry out, and it looks like we'll do so. Tonight, 76. Those evening storms, of course, have passed. A muggy night ahead. Tomorrow, 95. Partly cloudy. Most are going to stay dry, keeping on a chance of a stray storm late in the morning and early afternoon. And Tuesday, Wednesday, dry time with temperatures in the mid-90s to the upper 90s by the weekend, heating up here as we get into July. Dan?